For more than a century, courts have spoken about this hill. Decrees were passed, appeals were decided, even the Privy Council spoke. Yet one stone lamp remained unlit until the Madras High Court asked, what does history, already settled by law, actually say? Imagine a hill near Madurai, a hill spoken of in ancient Tamil literature as associated with Lord Muruga. At the foot of the hill stands Arulmigu Subramania Swami Temple. Midway up the hill stands Uchi Pilaya Temple. On the highest peak stands a darga. This coexistence is centuries old. This is the story of Rama Ravikumar vs. the District Collector, Madurai and others, decided by the Madras High Court, Madurai Bench, on 1st December 2025. Disputes arose, not about belief, but about ownership of the hill. In OS number 4 of 1920, the subcourt, Madura, passed a decree in 1923. The court held the entire hill belongs to the temple, except three portions only: Nelithopu burial area, the flight of steps to the darga, and the rock on which the darga stands. An injunction protected the temple's possession over the rest of the hill. Appeals followed. The Privy Council restored the decree. That judgment became final. The law settled who owns what. On the lower of the two peaks stands a stone lamp pillar, Deepathun. The court records that it is not the hilltop, is not part of Nelithopu, is not within the darga, and lies over 50 meters away. It is meant only for lighting a lamp. For many decades, the Karthigai Deepam was ordinarily lit at the Deepa Mandapam near the Uchi Pilayar temple, located midway up the hill. This practice continues. Why Deepathun was unused. Attempts were made in 1862 and 1912. They were stopped only due to fear of breach of peace, not because lighting was illegal, not because the temple lacked ownership. The 1996 order, the court said, ordinarily the lamp stays at the midway place. Future lighting elsewhere is not prohibited. If it is 15 meters away from the darga, steps, and Nelithopu, Deepathun satisfies this. The present case. In 2025, devotees asked only this: let the temple also light the lamp at Deepathun. The court framed the issue: is the temple under a legal duty to protect its land? Position of law, the court held, this is not about custom. It is about asserting settled rights. Temple property must be protected. Silence cannot weaken ownership. The refusal was quashed. The temple itself must light the Deepam at Deepathun. This judgment does not rewrite history. It respects it. It preserves boundaries, and it reminds us rights declared by courts cannot be lost through silence. Follow Nava Legal for Law explained clearly, calmly, and exactly as courts decided.